needs to be in jail for life. Simple.
Okay. Seema Kausar, before I go to further details that we have, I just want to understand your first reading in the cases of the case as well.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for having me. What I come to know is the father is a well-to-do man, and what reasons he is giving to the police, I don't think that is acceptable or acceptable, because he is a well-to-do person and he himself spending more than a 1 crore rupees for her academy. He himself invested the money. And I don't think in such scenario, this will, what he is saying that because of he is living on her earnings, so he killed. I don't think this will fit on his, he himself contradict his statement and his act. And what I come to know is the first thing deceased mother is refused to give any statement. She is very quiet, and come to know the neighbors and all, they are telling that they heard from past 15 to 20 days some clashes in the house. Maybe, I don't know, maybe the her love angle will come up, maybe. So maybe that this is the reason, because what he is giving, he has told to the police that I have he's living on daughter's earning, because he himself spent more than 1 CR is not a small amount. If he's so much well-to-do person, that I don't think this will be any bother to him. And the lifestyle he has given to her daughter. So from the since 8th standard she is playing a tennis, and she come up to till national level because of her injury. Only a few months before only he opened her academy. He himself motivated her to do this job. In all this scenario, what we will understand that I think he is misguiding, and whatever the reason he killed it, that is true. And this is pathetic that in such a days the honors killings are taken place in our country, where our prime minister says that beti badhao, beti padhao, beti bachao, all this nonsense, and only sayings become, and all these slogans what he is given, they are just becoming a slogan still now. There is no action, there is no safety of women, there is no safety of our daughters, there is no safety. The men still crime, and they can get out of it. That is very pathetic in those days. Really,
okay. Okay, all right.
I'm really worried about safety.
Okay, I have some more news there.